So, today we're going to break down a presentation that makes a pretty wild claim that your body can heal itself from just about anything if you just give it the right stuff. It's all boiled down to a single formula. So, let's dive in and see what he's talking about. Right out of the gate, the presentation hits you with this incredibly bold statement from the speaker, Dr. Barry Ada. I mean, there's no incurable disease? That's a massive claim, and it really sets the stage for everything else he's about to say. The basic idea is that our bodies are these perfect self-repairing machines, and all we've got to do is find the on switch. Okay, so how is this even possible, right? Well, after what he says was 23 years of research, the speaker claims he's cracked the code and boiled it all down to one single, surprisingly simple formula. And there you have it. This one sentence is pretty much the entire argument. The claim is that if you can just create a surplus of energy inside a hydrated, alkaline body, that's it. That's all you need to fix everything from weak bones and achy joints to major organ failure. But, before you get to the amazing solution, you first have to understand the problem. And the way this presentation frames the problem is, well, it's with a really stark and unforgettable image. So the speaker paints this really grim picture, right? He talks about looking at two different cadavers. On one side, you have organs that are supposedly blackened and dirty. On the other, they're clean. His whole point is that our modern diet makes our body so acidic and toxic that we have to store those poisons in our fat, which causes our organs to break down and even our muscles and bones to shrink. And this is where he introduces a really scary sounding term, catabolism. He defines this as your body literally cannibalizing itself, eating its own muscle and bone just to find alkaline minerals to fight off all the acid from the food we eat. And the kicker is, he says this isn't just happening to really sick people, it's happening to basically everyone eating a typical modern diet. And wow, this quote really just drives the point home, doesn't it? It makes it sound incredibly urgent. The choice, as he lays it out, is crystal clear. Either you put the right stuff back into your body, or your body is going to eat itself alive. Okay, so we've got this terrifying problem. The body is literally eating itself. So what's the fix? Well, the presentation gives us a three-part answer that really gets to the heart of the speaker's whole philosophy. So everything, and I mean everything, in this presentation comes down to his take on the pH scale. The argument is that our blood absolutely has to stay in this super narrow alkaline range, right around 7.4. But our diet, orange juice for example, is supposedly thousands of times more acidic. And it's this constant acidic beatdown, he says, that's forcing our bodies into that catabolism state. Okay, so you might be thinking, how does drinking alkaline water actually fix all this? Well, according to the presentation, it's this kind of wild three-step process. First, you drink this super alkaline water, and that pushes your blood pH up. Then, your body panics and has to bring it back down to 7.4, so it needs to find some acid. And this is the magic part, step 3. He claims your body gets that acid by dissolving its own acidic waste, like fat, tumors, cysts, you name it. Now remember, the formula wasn't just about being alkaline, right? The second piece of the puzzle is energy. The speaker says this is a real, measurable, negative electrical charge. He claims this special water has an energy potential of negative 700 to 800 millivolts. And just to put that in perspective, he says one of the most energetic foods you can eat, fresh sprouts, only clocks in at around negative 200. All right, so that's the whole theory. It sounds pretty incredible, but what about proof? What evidence does he actually bring to the table to back up these huge claims? Well, it really boils down to some powerful personal stories and one particular old study. And the first exhibit, if you will, is the speaker himself. This is his before snapshot at age 41. And even though he had a background in health and nutrition, he lists off a whole host of problems. Allergies, digestive issues, bad knees, a ruptured disc, chronic pain, anxiety, the works. And then, check this out. This is his after, just 4 short months later. He claims a total 180 on all his symptoms. The allergies, gone. Joint and back pain, vanished. And get this, he even claims he put on muscle with 0 exercise. All of it, he says, is just from drinking the water. Okay, so after his own incredible story, the presentation brings in another powerful anecdote. This time, it's his wife. At 37, this was her situation: struggling to lose weight, dealing with puffy legs, chronic constipation, and she even had a history of colon cancer. And you guessed it, here comes the after slide. And again, the results are presented as being super dramatic, all within that same 4-month window. She apparently went from a size 14 to a size 8, her digestive problems cleared up, and even her mood got way better. All thanks again to creating that hydrated, alkaline environment. Okay, so beyond these really personal, emotional stories, the presentation brings in something that sounds a bit more scientific, a study from the 1930s known as Pottinger's cats. The gist is that they had two groups of cats. One group ate raw food and stayed healthy for generations. The other ate the exact same food but cooked, and they started getting all sorts of diseases. The speaker's big takeaway is that the key difference wasn't just nutrients, it was the electrical energy or life force in the raw food that cooking supposedly destroyed. So you have the problem, you have the solution, you have the personal stories, you have the science, and it's all been leading up to this, the grand finale, the actual product that supposedly makes all of this possible. And this is where he makes the case for why this specific machine, the Kangen machine, is supposedly the only one that works. He draws a sharp line in the sand between it and what he calls knockoffs. He claims his machine has a powerful motor and medical-grade parts, while the others are cheap, ineffective, and could even be dangerous, with a risk of heavy metal poisoning. So the big question, right? What does this gold standard machine cost? Well, here it is. The presentation puts the price tag at just under $4,000. And just in case you weren't convinced, the presentation closes with this. Let's just say very direct sales pitch. It's a pretty intense way to end, basically telling the audience that if they don't buy the machine, there's something wrong with their brain. So after all that, what's the takeaway? We've just walked through a really powerful story, haven't we? It starts with a terrifying problem. Your body is literally eating itself. Then it offers a simple, elegant solution based on alkalinity and energy. And it backs it all up with dramatic personal transformations. It really leaves us with a huge question. When you're faced with these powerful personal stories mixed with scientific-sounding claims, how on earth do you figure out what to believe?